My name is Christine Garrow, and this is another episode of Kids Grab and Go. Today, me and my helper are going to show you how to make a paper cup squirrel. You can come into the library during open hours this month to pick up your bag of supplies to make this project. We already have our bags here, so we're going to open them up and see what's inside. First of all, we have the written instructions. You can follow along with these as well as this video to complete this craft. We also have a brown little cup that's going to make up the body of our squirrel. We have a rectangular piece of construction paper. And then we have a baggie, and it is full of many different things. Googly eyes, 2 small triangles for ears, and a pom-pom ball for a nose. Now that we have all of our supplies, let's get started.
The first step is to glue the googly eyes and pom-pom nose onto one side of your paper cup so that the bottom of the paper cup is facing up. You will want to use plenty of glue from your glue stick and hold down each item for 15 to 20 seconds, just to make sure all pieces stick securely to the cup. Then you can put glue on the bottom of one of the paper triangles. Attach the triangle to the inner edge at the bottom of the cup, which is now facing up. You can do the same for the second triangle to make 2 ears. Placement of the triangles should be roughly 1 above each googly eye. Then roll the strip of brown paper all the way up to the end. Then you can let go or unfurl the paper roll gently. Last of all, glue the outer edge of the curled paper strip to the back of the cup opposite the face of the squirrel. Then you're done.
For the month of December, we are going to be making snowflake sun catchers. Until then, bye!